Welcome to our Easy Tips tutorial on how to solve percentages in case you have no calculator, just a piece of paper, a 5-minute video for 5 problems. So let's start. So we have here, first example, we have 6% of 400. First, let's put percent here, the word percent. And as we define, per means for each, and cent mean hundreds or 100. So in order for us to get 400, we'll just draw first circle, not perfect circle, sorry guys. So let's put 100 here, 100 here, and 100 here, and 100 here, for a total of 400. And it says here that for each there is 6. So let's put 6, 6, 6, and 6. All we need to do is add all in the circle. Total of 24. It means 6% of 400 is 24. Next example is 30% of 300. So next example is 13% of 300. Same thing that we do on our last problem. So we have here 3 circles, stands for 100, 100, and 100. And then we put 13 in every circle. It seems that for each. So we get the total of 39. Again, 13% of 300 is 39. Third example is something little bit difficult, but by the easy tricks, we will solve it easier. So we have 14%, 14% of 350. So here there's at least 50, half of the 100. We put here another circles. Okay, so I just make it 4. So since this is 100, 100, 100, and 100. So here, since 350 or 50 only is our needed, this side or this portion is not needed. Then let's put 14 since per each po tayo. 14, 14, 14. Then we need to half the 14, which is 7. And 14 plus 14 plus 14 is 42. Plus 7 is 49. Then the 14% of 350 is 49. Let's try higher percentages. Our fourth example is 26% of 250. So let's make at least 3 circles. Let's put 100, 100, and 100. Okay, so here again another example, just put or half of this third circle. Then this one is not hindi po natin siya kailangan. Then let's put 26 here, 26 here, and the half of 26 is 13. So when we add this 3, 26 plus 26, 52 plus 13, we have 65. 26% of 250 is 65. Just easy. Last but not the least, example, 36% of 325. Our example for last is not something equal to hundreds, to 50s or half, but it is 325. So let's draw at least 4 circles. Then let's have 100 here, 100 here, here, another 100, and 100. We all know that 25 of 100 is 1/4. So let's divide it into 4. Then let's put 36 here, 36 here, 36 here. I get 9 here because 36 divided 4 is 9. Equally divided into 4. Then the only needed is 1 because 1/4. The 3 has no value here or no use. So 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 9 is equals to 117. So 36% of 325 is 117. I hope that this video helps you a lot in solving percentages when you have no calculator but you have only paper and pen. So thank you very much for watching and see you next math tips. Blessings!